Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how to export videos on Capcut with highest quality settings so TikTok doesn't ruin your video quality. So this can be used if you are going to export your video for TikTok or upload your video to TikTok. So first you can just finish your edit in Capcut and then click on the box at the top here to change the resolution and also the FPS. Click on that. So here you just need to change the resolution to 2K or 4K, but do not change the frame rate if it's already on the 30. So set the FPS to 30 and the code rate is recommended, and after that you can just click on the arrow at the top to export your video and later upload it to your TikTok account. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like and comment. Bye.